Back to my channel to two things. As you know, we have started Lead Code SQL 650 series where we will be solving 50 SQL problems that will definitely help you to crack any SQL interviews. So already we have solved 17 questions. Now we are in the 18th question. So these questions are basically related to aggregate functions, basic aggregate functions already cleared, joins related and select related questions. So see this problem. Percentage of users that attended the context contest. So yeah, let's see the schema first. Here problem number is 1633. Lead code you will have numerous number problems. So you can just check for this problem with the type problem number. So as schema users table is there, user ID and username. ID is the int value, username is the varchar, where user ID is the primary key with unique value in this table. Each row of this table contains name and the ID of a user. Okay, user related data is in the user table, and register table we have context ID and user ID. For which context that particular user has registered, that information is present in this register table. So context ID and user ID combination of these two is in primary key, which is the combination of columns with unique values in this table. And next, each row of the table describes the ID of an user and the context they have registered into. Okay. So now what they are asking is they are asking to find the solution to find the percentage of users registered in each context rounded by two decimals. In each context, how many number of users registered, they want that percentage should be rounded to two decimals. So and also they are asking us to order by percentage in descending order, and in case if there is a tie, order it in the context ID in ascending order. If the same percentage, like it is 50% or 50%, it is in the same. If we given the descending order also, if it is the any tie, then the other deciding factor order by will be the context ID that should be in ascending order. Okay, this is the order by they have given, and you understood, right? Where we have to calculate the percentage. How we can calculate the percentage is nothing but uh, uh, if it is one time repeated, number of times it is there, and how many times that user have registered for that particular context. That thing we have to give and divided with 100. So if we do that part, and then we will get a percentage. So already came percentage, or by using that we have to do order by. So that is what they are asking. Let's see this example so that you will understand better. Where we have user ID as it is Bob and Alex, Bob and Alex, and now you can see here, which is a register table where where they have registered particular context. User IDs are only 6 to 7. So you can see there are so many repetitions for the particular context with the user. Six user has registered to 15 to 10 to not 8 some context here. So now what they are asking us, to get the percentage, right? Here you can see the output here, context ID. So the users we have in the contest, we have to get sixth user is in this ID. So how many times that user we have, that count is multiplied with 100 divided by how many times he have registered for that particular context, like how many contests he have registered by that particular context into 100, you will get the percentage of that context. Okay, so this is how we have to do. So all is registered in the contest do not in these are the only registered contests we have. So percentage is 100%, we have to sort them in the answer in the table, is contest by ascending order. So he have registered in 215, and the percentage is two times he have registered that. So in 215, two users registered for this particular context. So two users by, yeah, and the percentage is total number of contests. Two persons registered for this, but total number of registered. He have the those people have registered for other contest also. Okay, so by divide with 3 into 100 is equal to this much. Actually, there are only three contests. Like number of contests we have totally have is three only. So that number of contests the particular person has registered to, that particular contest have registered to, and total number of contests. Okay, and Bob registered this one, so only 1 by 3 into 100 you'll get this percentage. Okay, you understood, right? Based upon context they want, not on the persons. So see, percentage of users registered in each context, based upon the context level we have to take. So from the seeing the table we have only these contexts, three contexts are there, so count of context we have to take first of all. So from that count of contests, that has a total number of contests. Okay, so some users we have, which users have taken which contest. So how many distinct users we have that have taken this contest, particular contest, that count divided by total number of contests count into 100, you'll get the percentage. So that thing everything we have to do in the select only, so that we can have that in the group by. Okay, so let's add the query first so that you will understand better. Selecting, what are the things they have to select? They have to get the context ID first, and then they have to get the percentage also. Something as percentage. Okay, something as percentage now. From which table we have to take? We have two tables. Let's see. First thing as a register table, because context, for every context we want, so that things are present in the register table only, right? From register table we have to take contest id. Contest id is in the register table, from register table only we have to take. So we have to use count, right? How many times the contest has repeated and kind of thing, so count we are using. So that we have to use a group by. First we have group by with context ID we have to group, right? So we have to group by context ID, and then order by also they are asking us order by what they are asking by percentage. We have to order by percentage first of all, that is in the descending order DEC. And then other thing also they're asking us to, if there is a match, order by, right? First they will check with that, if there is any mismatch then you will go to the second thing. So no need to have give like as any, it's defaultly will take that. So mentioning, it is mentioning or not, it is fine. So now let's see what will come here, like percentage how we'll be calculating. If you see this, you will definitely understand what actually we are doing. So firstly we have to get the count of what total number of contests we have, right? So that um, so that is, and the total number of contests we have, not number of users also we can understand. Total number of users we have. So everything is, it's we have to write as a subquery, right? um, to get the count of users we have to get subquery, because user id is not present here. We have to get users that actually not related to context is from users table, right? To get the users table we have to first select, right? We have to select the count of users from users table. So we are getting count. So this thing will be used for dividing purpose. So on the top what we have is, we have to get the count of here contest or distinct users uh, who have the name in the contest, right? So distinct users here, what we have is Elise, Bob, and those things. So distinct user for that particular contest, right? Elise and X are for that 215 contest. So those two items we have to get, how many users have registered for that particular contest. Likewise, we have to get. So distinct users we have to get distinct user IDs. We have that count multiplied with 100 divided with the count of users we have actually for that particular context id, how many users, distinct user, but total number of users actually we are having. Okay, so by that we will get the percentage. So I'm just running this, make sure in that what actually we are getting up to here. Error in syntax. Let's see the syntax first of all. So what we are doing, we are just first rounding up distinct user id with multiplied with 100 divided with select. So yeah, here we have a select subquery. Here we have to give as a percentage. Now this will work. Wrong answer, but actually it's wrong answer, we know, but just see what we are getting. We have to see everything is fine, just rounding up is the only difference which we have. So they are asking us to round up, so that part we haven't did. So round it up to two decimals as they told. Just give like comma 2 and just one. Syntax error because it's like an inquiry we have giving like comma, just have this here. Yeah, now it will be fine. Sorry, error in, let's see this. See, count is fine. Count of user ID into. Okay, this is one part. Count of distinct user ID into 100 divided with count of this from users table. See, this is subquery actually. In that we should not mess up with the users. After users, we have to round up that to. So this will work definitely. So yeah, braces where we are keeping that should be, we have to be conscious about. So yeah, fine. Now we have did rounding up also. Previously we are getting 67333. Now it is fine, it's accepted. So this is how we can solve this problem. So hope you have understood, right? If you have any doubts in the comments, let me know in the comment section. I'm definitely happy to reply your comments. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.